So when the business started in 1990, the focus really was on UK domestic fleet operators. We shifted mid-90s from domestic to international. Critical learnings over the past 30 years have really been focused on continuing to innovate. You've got to push forward. You know, the classic example was 2001. We recognised there was a need for web-based software. At the time, lots of competitors and other organisations were going for web-enabled. We took ourselves out of the market for 18 months, but when we returned to the market, we were unique. We've got the only truly web-based software at the time. And that was a differentiator that kept us ahead of the market for a good while. Off the back of FleetWave, we were now able to help fleets that were multi-location, multi-country, multi-everything really. Could be multilingual, enterprise level fleets for the first time. The technologies behind it were scalable. Chevin today is an incredibly exciting place to be. One of the critical success factors that FleetWave brings to a fleet operator is that ability to absorb data from so many disparate sources. We take data from leasing companies, from expense cards, from maintenance, repair facilities, and we bring it all together into a single location. That enables the fleet operators really to make data-led decisions. So they're deciding on fact, not on gut feeling. One of the most exciting things at Chevin right now is that we're starting to work with some of the most cutting-edge businesses out there. Autonomous vehicles on a global basis are working in partnership with Chevin to deliver new and exciting functionality. It's pushing our own boundaries. Our team are working with some of the smartest people in the world, and it's incredibly exciting. We're going to see a lot more data-driven decision-making systems. An additional function that I think you'll also find quite dominant in the future will be benchmarking. The ability to anonymously and safely benchmark your fleet operation against your peers. If we can provide that anonymous, transparent comparison, I think everybody will benefit.